I35equipment.com. This is the Caterpillar 336 E L Track Excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call, get on calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come to you if you prefer. It is shown by appointment only though. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website or send us an email. Be happy to look into that for you. We send equipment all over the country. So getting this shipped to you should not be too big of an issue. This machine does have the auxiliary hydraulics. We do have manual and hydraulic thumbs available if that's of interest to you. Also has those bolt-on side guards. Nice big bucket. Straight off the job site. It's got plenty of power to take on your big job and get the work done efficiently. If you know anyone who might have idle heavy equipment sitting around, we share our information and website with them. We specialize in consignment and bank repo sales. Be happy to talk to them about our consignment sales service. Got plenty of people looking for good rate of work equipment. Here the travel arm. This machine also has a working horn, dual travel speed selections, and a travel pedal. Check out the bucket and the undercarriage. Let him climb out. Then we'll pop up in there and look at the operator station. It does have that factory Caterpillar suspension seat. On out to the fisheye lens and may distort a little bit. Give you a good view of the interior of the cab here. Like I said earlier, that is a travel pedal, so if you need to get across the job site or pasture quickly and efficiently, you just use the pedal instead of having to hold on to the handles. It does have a working radio. Let me see if we can get that on for you. Show you a shot over the back of the seat here. There is a operations manual and parts manual back here. Appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.